Let's go, Kachan.
I told you not to give me orders!
Are you ready, Carl?
Let's do this, Deku.
What the hell? Who's this guy?
It's Carl.
I'm Carl.
Oh, great. Now there's two nerds.
We have to put an end to the League of Villains.
Do you really think you could stop us?
Excuse me, do you need chapstick?
We have to in order to protect all the people.
And the llamas.
Whoa, Carl, you like llamas?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah!
Do you like...
I freaking love llamas!
Yay.
Since when do you like llamas, Kachan?
Shut up, you damn nerd!
Yeah, shut up, you damn nerd. Where's my inhaler?
Right here!
Thanks, bestie.
What's happening?
Let's go, Carl!
Later, Deku.
What the fuck?